Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. What can you say about the two sides of the picture? Exactly. This side of the picture is daytime and this side is nighttime. Today, we're going to discuss about daytime and nighttime. In this lesson, you will be able to learn the things that you see in the sky during daytime and nighttime. Are you ready? What do you see in the sky during daytime? Exactly. You see clouds and the sun during daytime. What do you see in the sky during nighttime? You are correct. You see many stars and the moon during nighttime. The sky is white space above us. It is blue when there are no clouds. You see the sun rise from one side and set on the other side of the earth. The white things that look like cotton are the clouds. Airplanes and birds fly up in the sky. There are days that you will see a beautiful arc of different colors. This colorful arc across the sky is called rainbow. Have you seen a rainbow? You do not see the sun at night, but you can see another round object, the moon. You will also see many objects that twinkle. The twinkling objects are the stars. The moon forms different shapes called the phases of the moon. Stars have their own light. Sometimes you will see falling stars that shoot across the sky. These falling stars are called shooting stars. Sometimes you can also see beautiful fireworks. Don't forget, daytime and nighttime. You see clouds and the sun during daytime. You can also see rainbow, airplanes, and birds. You see many stars and the moon during nighttime. And you may also see falling stars or fireworks. Are you ready? Check daytime if the object is seen during daytime, and check nighttime if the object is seen during nighttime. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Stars are seen during nighttime. You can see the sun during daytime. The moon is seen during nighttime. The clouds are seen during daytime. You can see the rainbow during daytime. Shooting stars are seen during nighttime.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.